guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a timer to your videos in CapCut PC. So select any timer videos that you have. You can either just like remove the white background using this. I'm just going to keep it and I'll select the soft light option. I'm going to place it here. You can also add like a green screen or a black screen overlay. Go to mask and select rectangle, and I'm just going to kind of create a rectangle here. Then I'm going to select the round edges here to kind of make it look a little bit more aesthetic. And I'm going to kind of place it in the middle. Okay, that's the middle. And then I'm just going to adjust it, and I'm going to place it here maybe. And I'm going to adjust the opacity a little bit more. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!